When it comes to commemorating a special occasion, nothing elevates the moment like the elegance of luxury jewelry. Whether it's a milestone birthday, a wedding anniversary, or a celebration of personal achievement, luxury jewelry is a timeless way to express love, style, and individuality. With so many options available, finding the right piece of luxury jewelry requires careful thought. For those seeking impeccable designs, high-quality materials, and expert craftsmanship, jewelry stores in Arcadia offer an unmatched shopping experience. Why choose luxury jewelry for special occasions? Special occasions deserve to be celebrated with something extraordinary. Luxury jewelry is often seen as the ultimate gift, a symbol of significance and a way to make a moment unforgettable. But luxury is more than just a high price tag. It's about craftsmanship, quality, and the lasting impression a piece makes. 1. Timeless appeal. Luxury jewelry pieces are designed to withstand trends and transcend time. 1. Unlike fast fashion, luxury jewelry holds its value and remains fashionable for generations. 1. A well-selected piece from a jewelry store can become a cherished family heirloom passed down through the years. 2. Exceptional craftsmanship. Each luxury piece is crafted with precision and attention to detail. 2. Jewelers spend hours meticulously designing, creating, and refining pieces to meet the highest standards. 2. The quality of the materials used, whether diamonds, platinum, or other precious metals, ensures that your jewelry not only looks stunning, but also lasts a lifetime. 3. Customizable designs. When shopping for jewelry in Arcadia, you'll find that many jewelry stores offer customization options for luxury pieces. 3. Whether you want to create a unique engagement ring, a personalized necklace, or earrings that perfectly reflect your style, custom jewelry allows you to have a one-of-a-kind piece that tells your story. 4. High-quality materials. Luxury jewelry is made with the finest materials, ensuring a piece that is not only beautiful, but durable. 4. From ethically sourced diamonds to rare gemstones, the materials used in luxury jewelry offer a level of quality and beauty that mass-produced jewelry simply cannot match. The best places to shop for luxury jewelry stores. Near me. Whether you're looking for a statement necklace, a stunning pair of earrings, or a classic bracelet, shopping at jewelry stores near me ensures you're getting a product that combines quality, design, and expert service. Jewelry stores in Arcadia offer the ideal environment to find luxury pieces for every occasion. Here's why in-person shopping is more beneficial than online. 1. Negotiate the best price. When shopping for luxury jewelry, especially for a special occasion, negotiating is a key advantage of in-person shopping. 1. Local jewelry stores often allow room for discussion on price, and they may be open to offering special promotions, discounts, or upgrades when you shop face-to-face. 2. See the product in person. One of the most significant advantages of shopping at jewelry stores in Arcadia is the ability to visually see and feel the piece before making a purchase. 2. While online images are helpful, nothing compares to the experience of holding the jewelry, seeing it sparkle in natural light, and getting a true sense of its color and craftsmanship. 2. This is especially important when buying luxury jewelry, where the finer details matter. 3. More options to choose from. Online jewelry retailers may limit your options to what they have in stock, but in-person visits to a jewelry store give you access to an extensive collection. 3. Whether you're seeking a unique gemstone, a specific metal, or a custom design, visiting a jewelry store provides access to a broader selection than you'll find online. 4. Expert advice. The team at your local jewelry store, especially those specializing in luxury pieces, can offer expert advice and guidance on selecting the best piece for your needs. 4. They will help you understand the various styles, materials, and design options available, ensuring you make an informed decision that reflects your taste and the occasion you're celebrating. 5. Jewelry repair and customization services. After purchasing a luxury piece, you may want to make adjustments, such as resizing a ring or repairing a chain. 5. By shopping at local jewelry stores, you'll also have the advantage of quick and reliable jewelry repair around me. 5. Whether it's an urgent repair or a desire to make modifications to personalize a piece, your nearest jewelry repair shop can provide the services you need. The best jewelry for special occasions. Special occasions deserve a unique touch, and luxury jewelry offers many possibilities for making those moments truly unforgettable. Here are some of the most popular types of jewelry for different occasions. 1. Engagement rings. The perfect engagement ring is an enduring symbol of love. 1. When choosing an engagement ring, consider a classic solitaire diamond, a vintage-inspired design, or something uniquely customized to reflect your partner's personality. 1. Jewelry stores in Arcadia, such as Dorano Jewelry, offer a wide variety of engagement rings to suit any taste, whether you prefer a traditional diamond ring or a colorful gemstone alternative. 2. Anniversary gifts. Celebrate your milestone moments with a luxury piece that signifies the passage of time. 2. Diamond earrings, gemstone necklaces, and delicate bracelets are all excellent choices for marking anniversaries. 2. A piece of jewelry with personal meaning, like a birthstone or custom engraving, will add even more sentimental value to the gift. 3. Birthday jewelry. Birthdays are a wonderful occasion to gift someone a meaningful piece of jewelry. 3. Consider a custom-designed necklace or a pair of statement earrings that can be worn every year to celebrate the day. 3. Jewelry stores in Arcadia offer a range of birthday gifts from luxurious to understated, ensuring that every recipient feels special. 4. Wedding jewelry. From the wedding band to the perfect necklace or bracelet to complement the dress, wedding jewelry plays an important role in the big day. 4. Bridal jewelry often includes diamonds, pearls, or other precious stones, creating a beautiful harmony between the wedding gown and the overall look. 4. Many jewelry stores, like Dorano Jewelry, also offer wedding jewelry collections, making it easy to find the perfect pieces for bridesmaids, groomsmen, or the couple themselves. 5. Milestone celebrations. Whether celebrating graduation, retirement, or another significant life event, luxury jewelry can serve as the perfect commemoration of these moments. 5. A personalized pendant or a gemstone bracelet can act as a reminder of accomplishments and milestones. Jewelry repair and maintenance. Keep your pieces looking like new. When investing in luxury jewelry, it's essential to care for your pieces to ensure they retain their beauty and value. Jewelry repair around me is readily available at many jewelry stores, especially in Arcadia. Whether it's repairing a broken clasp, restoring a tarnished piece, or resizing a ring, jewelry repair is vital for keeping your luxury jewelry in pristine condition. Additionally, regular maintenance, such as cleaning and polishing, will preserve the luster and shine of your jewelry. Arcadia jewelry repair shops often offer these services, ensuring that your prized pieces continue to look their best for years to come. Choose Dorano Jewelry for your luxury jewelry needs. If you're looking for luxury jewelry for a special occasion, Dorano Jewelry in Arcadia is your destination. Our expert jewelers specialize in high-quality, custom-made jewelry designed to celebrate your most meaningful moments. From engagement rings to anniversary gifts, we offer a wide range of pieces to suit every occasion. Our in-store services include custom design consultations, jewelry repair, and personalized recommendations to help you find the perfect piece. Experience the difference when you shop at Dorano Jewelry, where luxury meets craftsmanship and personalized service. Visit us today to discover our exquisite selection of luxury jewelry and make your special occasion even more unforgettable.